Good morning. Kai, Peaceful Gardens. How are you? All right, how do you want to start these off? That's the real question.
I don't know.
Because I am your co-host, you are the host.
I didn't even know that.
You are the host of Peaceful
Okay.
Gardens. That's why I was trying to get you the topics so you could read them, but you didn't even check the Telegram to see what we
I
did.
didn't. My brain has been everywhere else.
She
I've
just-
been thinking about chicks this morning. This was not on my radar.
So
my radar has been contractor supply.
Call Tractor
Call
Supply.
Tractor
We're gonna call them. She's baby chicks, morning baby chicks. This is what she's doing. You know what? Let's just start there. First episode, baby chicks. It's the season.
Yeah. It is the season. It is the season. They're supposed to come on the 22nd, but if you call early and be nice and they know you,
So how many birds are you interested in?
I don't know. I think we're just gonna get 6.
Just 6?
Yeah.
6 more? Well, we have a total of what?
We got 23 laying hens now.
23 laying hen.
And the little heifers pick and choose when they want to lay eggs, too. I think they switch on and off.
So what do we have? We got, 8 Issa Browns.
8 Issa Browns. We got,
2
2
Silkies.
And then I got some randos. It's like an Americana over there with just gherkin, that gray one. Then we got Pearl. She's, I believe, like a Polish mix.
We have Julep over here, which is the spotted one. You'll see her when she comes around. What is she? Julep?
I forgot. Some kind of Orpington. Round Rock Orpington
What are these
or something like
yellow
that.
ones?
Don't hold me to the name of it. Let me see. Those are just regular Orpingtons. Now I
Orpingtons.
would love
I call
some.
them Buffingtons because they're so damn buff.
They are called Buff Orpingtons.
Oh, okay. Because she corrected me one day. She's like, "What do you call them, Buffingtons?" I'm like, "Yeah, they're big as birds out here. They buff."
That's what Julep is a Plymouth Rock Orpington.
Plymouth
That
Rock.
is what she is. So she is in the breed of Orpington. But as you can tell, my blonde-haired Orpington, I call them hair. Their feathers are blonde. Those are bigger. I only have 2 tiny ones.
Talk to me about what they're eating.
So today, y'all, they bougie. They eating scratch pellets. What else they have? They had spring salad. Had to get all their green veggies in.
I see avocado.
Bananas, avocado.
I see berries.
So
What's that red berry over there?
a raspberry.
And bananas.
So they're spoiled, y'all. They spoiled.
I learned watching Kara feed these birds bananas that they really enjoy bananas. They will jump in the air like crazy
Yeah,
for some
they will.
bananas. But even cabbage, like we can hang cabbage in here and they go nuts.
Oh yeah, they
It
do.
keeps them
Especially
busy.
onion too.
It keeps them real busy.
Give your chickens onion. If you don't, Google the benefits of onions.
So, baby chicks, Tractor Supply.
This is not a paid sponsorship, but if Tractor Supply would like to sponsor
I'm
some
done.
videos, just message me on peacefulgardens@gmail. You know what to do.
So, what kind of birds are you looking for? What are you hoping to find?
You know what? I did want. Well, no, I wanted some lavender Orpingtons.
Okay, lavender.
Or really some Rhode Island Reds. I only have one Rhode Island Red, and she's a mini.
What are those birds that lay the blue eggs?
Easter eggers.
Ooh, we're going to get an Easter egger?
We probably have to go to the co-op to get some of those.
Oh,
They
yeah.
don't bring their chicks in from the hatchery till March, March
Got you.
something. Yeah. Tractor Supply on it already.
Huh. Do you have any suggestions for people when looking for birds, or what they should look for, or what they should find?
You know what? I would do my research. Start there. You can't go off of what everybody else says on videos and stuff. Do your research for yourself, just like I did about my chickens, because I had people tell me, don't buy Issa Browns. Those are the worst chickens you can get. Man, they were wrong.
We raised 16 of them from chicks.
Let me tell you, they told us that some of our Issa Browns weren't going to make
They
it.
said
And
they're gonna
they
die. They said buy extra because half your flock may die.
Exactly. And they didn't die.
A year later, they're all alive.
They're thriving like some
They
MFers.
ate all my damn grass, y'all.
Don't
It
blame
just
the
know if you
chickens.
have them in the backyard and you don't have them in enclosure like we didn't previously.
No,
we
but it's a
recently
learning progress. It's been a
built
learning
this.
progress.
We recently built this, and I told
Yeah.
Kai, I was like, we gotta take advantage and go ahead and film in it. But we built this because they kept getting out and they started getting into our neighbor's yard. If you can see
Oh, they were some little gangsters.
If you can see our neighbor's yard right now, you see how green that grass is. That was our grass. That was our yard.
But they haven't torn up their yard. Their yard looks great.
They've been getting over there, but they're not.
Our
now.
neighbors don't mind. Our
They're
neighbors
not
don't mind,
now.
though.
They all get eggs from us.
Yeah,
Of course
they do.
don't mind.
This was before they started getting out. But now it's just a habit. We just be like, hey, we got extra, but we do sell our eggs. We do sell our eggs. And I'm so prideful of our eggs because the girls do such an amazing job. That's why they get treated like they do. So
The other reason for this enclosure is, like I said, they ate the grass. We're about to start our garden
Mhm.
again, and we most definitely don't want them eating the garden.
heck, shout out. They ate my cabbage. I planted some cabbage back in last August, and they were getting tall and nice. Next thing I know, my little baby raptors ate the damn cabbage.
They did. How'd it make you feel?
I didn't really
To know
care
that your
because
cabbage was gone.
I knew what I was getting into when I had got chickens because I grew up on a farm with chickens and cows. So I knew what I was getting into. So I couldn't really be
too upset.
No.
No, well.
It was like, well, god dang, you might as well just grow some more.
Gotcha.
So we're going to get into that too soon.
It's going to be a whole nother topic. If you got any topics for us to talk about, anything you want us to get into, or if you got anything more you want to say about anything, like I said, this is the first episode. We're going to try to get in the habit of being consistent with doing these. We plan to film them once a week.
We do a lot of stuff, though. We got this channel. We got our quiet party. We got Noodles and Kai.
Behind the Wave.
We're busy, folks, okay? But this right here.
Not just that managing the media company.
This right here, I am so happy that my husband has decided to go on this journey with me because I've been wanting to do homesteading, and it was kind of that thing of where do I start? I didn't know where to start. People didn't want to tell me where to start. So you know what I did? Like I do everything else, I taught myself, and I learned. But I will say this. It's been some hit and miss.
So she married a man with a beard. No.
That ain't got nothing to do with it. Get on my damn nerve. But no, it's been a hit and miss. My granddad was a farmer here in the state of Arkansas. A really good farmer. And so I kind of feel like, I don't know. I think he's watching over me while I'm doing this. So I'm getting some good things happening, some stuff a brewing. So let's see where this goes. Maybe we'll get some land.
That's what she wants.
Give me a fluffy cow.
She wants to get out this backyard and get some acreage.
Oh, we're going to keep this house. And this house is still going to have this garden.
I'm talking about out of this backyard.
Oh, yeah.
You want to upscale.
I wouldn't mind having some land.
The chicken coop.
Yeah.
She wants to do a lot.
But you know what? I think even if when we expand this year, I think I would probably still have a homestead here at this location. I think I would.
I think you would?
Yeah. At least for the neighborhood. I enjoy what we do. And I can tell our neighbors are very
sorry,
grateful.
y'all. They dust bathing right in front of the camera. I guess I should have thought about where I put the dust bath.
They kicking it. If y'all can see them. You know what? I feel like I got to take a selfie with them. But listen here. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all want to know anything else about other breeds of chickens, let me know in my DMs because it go down in the DMs on my Insta. If you don't follow me, go follow me at Kai the Farmer or search Kai Denman or, Kyria Denman, and you'll find me there. And you'll find Roman under Director Noodles. So thanks for watching, you guys. Love you, mean it.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and catch the next episode. We'll holla at y'all.